Lesson 2, Unit 4. Information Politics and Culture. Another important factor that has a significant influence over information is politics. Information needs to live in an environment that encourages its use and sharing, but this environment is usually impacted by the internal politics that exists within any organization and define the level of control regarding how the information is used and shared. In every organization, there will be one or a combination of the following types of politics that govern the use and management of information systems. These include anarchy, feudalism, monarchy, and federalism. Information anarchy is the absence of any information management policy altogether, where project teams are left on their own to decide the systems and processes to manage project information. The result is the creation of independent systems and standards that cannot be integrated. Information feudalism is where regions or programs manage and control their own information independently. They create their own standards and policies for managing information. Information monarchy is when all information policies, procedures, and standards are defined by organizations' leaders, who may or may not share the information once they have it. Programs and projects are usually not consulted in the process to create the policies and standards of information management and the priorities on how information should be managed. In information federalism, information management is based on consensus and negotiation. Program and projects participate in the decisions regarding key policies, procedures, and standards on information management, but they maintain some level of independence. Information culture means the practice, behaviors, and local customs that people have regarding the use of information. A project is influenced by the local culture and the organizational culture, both of which determine the practices and behaviors of information management. A project that rewards and encourages the use of information for decision making has better chances at information management than projects where information is seen as a project byproduct, as another donor requirement, or even as another bureaucratic process they need to comply with. A culture that fosters information management has the following characteristics. The project members are aware of the importance of good quality information and they take the necessary steps to manage it. Project managers are using the information for decision making. Project members use information to enable changes and improve the project deliverables and make the time to learn from the experiences. Project members also share information with other projects to learn lessons and best practices. And project members know where all the project information is stored and know how to retrieve it. When organizations build a culture that values information management, then the processes for information management are a constant effort, not only driven by donor requirements, but by the project needs to improve and impact and learn from the experiences. Information flows vertically and horizontally across the whole project, and it's not held at specific areas or units, but is open and available to all the staff. In this type of culture, information behavior refers to how project members approach information, how they select, gather, store, classify, analyze, report, and use information. Behaviors can include sharing, hoarding, or ignoring it. Sharing information is not the same as reporting information, which is a more structured process. Sharing is an open and almost free voluntary action that a project does to make information available to others.